Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have the opportunity from the company Paradise Dreams, and they're looking for a reservation advisor. He pays from $35,000 to $80,000 per year. We're currently looking for reservation advisors to work remotely booking reservations. Fully trained, full training provided, no experience necessary, flexible schedule, full-time or part-time. Requirements: must have computer and or cell phone, must be available to work in the USA. You must be comfortable working with minimal supervision. Job descriptions: arrange reservations for businesses, sports teams, vacations, weddings, and more. Determine customer needs and preferences such as schedules, cost of payments, and plans. Plan and arrange tour packages, excursions, and day trips. Book reservations for hotel, flights, rental cars, special events, honeymoons. Provide proper documentation to the clients such as authorization forms, flight tickets, theme park tickets. Make alternative booking arrangements if changes arise before or during the trip. This job pays $35,000 to $80,000 a year. It's fully remote, and you will be a reservation advisor for the company Paradise Dreams. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. In order to be on board, make sure to like this video so we find more people like you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.